Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about nested conditional operator. So the program is, let's say, to find the greatest of three number. So we have to declare three variables for that, and let's say a variable gr to store the maximum value, and let's ask the value of these variables, three variables, from the user using cin. And now the condition will be stored in gr variable. So what will be the condition and nested conditional operator? So the symbol is first expression and then question mark, and then second expression, full colon, and then third expression, right? So what will be our first expression here? So let's say the first expression is a condition whether A is greater than B or not. Okay, so the first expression is if A greater than B. What will be our next second expression? Second expression will be, let's say, one more set of conditional operator. Yes, one more set of conditional operator where again there will be three expressions. Okay, like this. And the third expression will be one more conditional operator separate by question mark and then full colon. So here you can see first condition is A greater than B, and second expression is itself a conditional operator, set of conditional operator, and third expression, this one, is itself a conditional operator. So what will be our condition here in second expression? Let's say, and when will this execute? If A greater than B. If this is true, then it will execute this second expression, right? So A greater than C, because if A is greatest of three numbers, then it should be greatest of other two values, right? So B and C are other two values. So if the first condition satisfied, it will go to check the second expression, which is A greater than C. Okay, and if A greater than C, then it will execute A, otherwise it will execute C. So this is one set of, you can see here, this is one set of conditional operator. Okay, now what could be our third set of conditional operator here? It will be B greater than C. If yes, then it will execute B. If no, it will execute C. This is done, and we are going to print greatest value. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, we have missed here semicolon. So we have to give three values. Let's say 12, then 24, then 13. So you can see greatest value is 24. So how the condition is checking? B is greater than C, right? We have to understand how this nested conditional operator is working. So this expression in line number 9 means if A is greater than B, if yes, it will execute, the second expression will execute, right? Second expression will get executed. And second expression is that if A is greater than C, then print A, otherwise print C. So this is the second expression. And what is third expression? And third expression will execute if this condition will not meet, right? So third expression is that will be executed that if B is greater than C, then print B, otherwise print C, like this. So this is the meaning of nested conditional operator, which is getting checked and executed here. So if A is greater than B, it will check second expression, that is A, that is also a conditional operator, okay? That is, if A is greater than C, then it will print A, otherwise C. So of course, if A will be greater than B and C both, then it will print A, otherwise it will print C, okay? And if A is not greater than B, then it will check whether B is greater than C or not. If yes, then it will print B, otherwise C. So again, let's again check on output here. Let's say 13, 11 and 10. So you can see here 13 is the greatest. This is how it checks the nested conditional operator. You can also do the same program using logical operators, that is AND operators. You have studied about this in grade 6 or 7, I think, this one. But of course you have to use here nested conditional operator, okay? So this much for today's class. Hope you understood, and in next video we will learn more about nested conditional operator as well as if-else statements.